These are silicone guys na phone case, so madaling ikabit and matanggal. And kung iPhone user ka din kagaya ko at naghahanap ka ng new design ng phone cases for your iPhone, of course, meron ako mararecommend sa inyo guys na tatlong design ng phone case na kabibili ko lang din, and ito yun guys. I have here these two phone cases with same design lang din naman siya, and obviously with different colors. These are silicone guys na phone case, so madaling ikabit and matanggal. Pangalawa is itong pink ko dito. And ang nagustuhan ko kasi dito guys, aside from yung matte finish siya, as you can see here, yung frame niya dito sa yung cover niya for the lenses, camera lenses, ay makapal. Silicone din siya, matchy-matchy din yung buttons niya. And the last one here is ito. Ito yung pinakamura atang nabili kong phone case din. Kasi manipis lang din siya, as you can see here. Malambot lang din naman siya. So if you want these three or any of these three phone cases, i-check nyo lang yung product link sa baba.